इतिहासीक भांगरा ट्रॉफी जिखपाक 2 दशकां उपरांत परत एकदा टिमींची कस लावपी बांदोडकार गोल्ड कप फुटबॉल सर्त शुक्रारसावन सुरू जातली। गोवा फुटबॉल असोसिएशनान बांदोडकार फामिलीच्या आदारान ह्या ट्रॉफीक संजीवनी दिल्या। सर्त 21 वर्सां पिरायेच्या गटांतल्या टिमीं खातीर दवरल्या। साळगांवकार, धेंपो, स्पोर्टिंग, चर्चिल ब्रदर्सा सयत गोंयच्यो 6 आनी पुणेच्यो 2 टिमी वांटो घेतात।
21 वर्सां सकयल्या गटांत सर्त दवरपाचें कारण GFAचे अध्यक्ष एल्विस गोमसान सांगलें।
The reason is we were not getting a proper slot for senior teams to come and participate, and since already the process was set in motion to organize this trophy, we went ahead with the under 21 version of that, more particularly because in time to come, probably even from next year, a lot of international teams have shown interest to participate in this Bandodkar Gold Trophy. It is easier for under 21 top flight clubs to come here and play rather than the senior teams, as you are all aware, and tremendous interest has already been shown, but this year we have to restrict to the present format that we have adopted.
बांदोडकार गोल्ड कप सर्त सुरू केल्या म्हण भाऊसाहेब बांदोडकाराची फामील खोशी जाल्या अशें तांचे नातू समीर काकोडकार म्हणटा।
In fact, I'm sure entire Goa will be happy that this step has been taken. We as a family are definitely very delighted that once again we can support the tournament. The trophy belongs to GFA. It is their tournament and they asked us for some help and our family is very happy. My mother Shashikala, she is delighted that the tournament is being revived and we wish the GFA best of luck and once again thanks to Elvis Gomes, Secretary Mr. Jason and the committee. I'm very also happy that Mr. Botello can be here because I know Botello since I was a child and he's been a family friend and the pillar for the Bandodkar Trophy. So in a way it's very nice that Mr. Botello is there today to see the revival of the Bandodkar Gold Trophy. Wish it very well and thank you once again.
GFAचे आदले सचिव आंतोनियो बोतेलोन पयलींचे सर्तीच्यो यादी सांगल्यो।
As far as my memories of the old Gold Trophy go, it was a prestigious tournament. Everyone, all the top teams of Goa used to vie for it. I remember one year in '74 when my team, Panvel Sports Club, managed to win it. It was also with the blessings of Mr. Bandodkar, who had passed away a couple of years earlier and supported our team for many years. It was a big problem finding a home for the storage, and eventually we could only store it buy a cupboard, give it to Central Bank of India MAPSA and store it there. So throughout the period when I was associated with the Goa Football Association, the trophy used to be taken out under police protection in the evenings before the match and deposited back the next morning after being kept in a safe custody, again with presence of the police. So I don't think anything happened to it ever from the time we took over until we recently retrieved it from the locker, the same signatures, everything were there. Now as far as the worth of the trophy is concerned, I had been told at that time that it was worth 3,60,000. This was just an informed guess, I believe.
ही सर्त सुरू जाता खरी पूण AIFF आणि GFAचे टाइम टेबल फुडल्या वर्साय जुळटलें आणि ही सर्त फुडें चालूच उरतली हें सांगप कठीण। प्रुडंटा खातीर खेळा संपादक नीरज प्रभू आणि व्हिडिओ जर्नलिस्ट देवेन गांवकार।
भारताचो आदलो क्रिकेटर विकेट कीपर सय्यद किरमाणी बुधवारा गोंयांत आयलो। मडगांव क्रिकेट अकादमीच्या रुप्या महोत्सवी सुवाळ्याक किरमाणी आयला। सध्या BCCIक अध्यक्ष नाय खरें, पूण शशांक मनोहर ICC चेअरमॅन जाला ही भारता खातीर अभिमानाची गजाल म्हूण किरमाणीक दिसता।
ICC प्रेसिडेंट बना है तो यू हैव टू लीव एज अ प्रेसिडेंट ना। So I think it's a great elevation for an Indian BCCI president to become the chairman or the president of the ICC. It's a huge elevation and I congratulate Mr. Shashank Manohar. बेस्ट विकेट किपर इंडिया सुपर प्रोड्यूस तर तो आमच्या फंक्शनाक येता. आमची मडगांव क्रिकेट अकॅडमी 25 वर्सां पयलीं जाल्ली आनी 25 वर्सान आमी 25 आतां एक कॅम्प्स आमी घडयल्या. ही अशी एकूच संस्था आसा गोंयांत ती घडोवपी. तर आमच्या भुरग्यांनी पयलीं जे आदले पळय आमचे स्टुडंट्स आसात तांणी ठरयलें की आमचे 25 वर्सां पळय आसता न्ही ती मातशी व्हडली करची. म्हणून तांणी म्हळें तुजो कोण तरी 5 जो क्रिकेटर फ्रेंड आसा तेच खेळा ताका आपूण ताज्या हातान आमी सर्टिफिकेट दिवया. आतां हाज्या मुखार ताजी आमची एक मॅच आसतली प्रेस वर्सीस MC तातूंत तो भाग घेतलो. ताज्या मागीर 21 तारखेक आमचें व्हॅलिडिटी फंक्शन म्हणजे आमी सर्टिफिकेट दिवपा जाता भुरग्यांक ते ताज्या हस्ते दिवप. त्या खातीर तो आयला पूण तो म्हणटा पूण एकाच दिसाक येवपा ना कित्याक आमचो तो कॅम्प पळोवपा लायला. तो भुरग्यां कडेन तो उलयतालो भुरग्यांक शिकयतालो आमच्या आनी मागीरूच तो मागीर माचयेर येवन तो हें दिलो.
हे खबराचित्र हांगाच सोंपता. ह्यो खबरो तुमकां प्रुडंटाच्या वेबसायटीरय लायव्ह पळोवंक मेळटात. नमस्कार.